Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University. We have our Gen 8 Scout 2 back on the workbench. We've installed a lot of option parts on this rig, and you know what? It's time for some more. This time, we're going to focus on the drivetrain, more specifically the Steel Center CV Driveshaft set. Now this shaft set is great for those of you that may want to add more power to your rig later on down the road. Maybe you already have. These machine steel shafts will definitely handle a lot more abuse. And what's even better, they're very easy to install. All you're going to need is a 1.5 and 2mm hex driver, some thread lock compound, and a few minutes of your time. Let's get to work. Okay, so we flipped over the Gen 8 here, and all we have to do is remove the 4 screw pins that secure the drive yokes to the output shafts. Use a 1.5mm hex driver to remove these screws. Once you remove all 4 screw pins from the universal joints, take a 2mm hex driver and remove 1 inboard link screw from the front and the rear. After backing out the link screw, pop a link out, and now you'll be able to access the drive shaft. Remove the drive shaft. Now add some thread lock to the new screw pins that came with the new drive shafts. Once you've placed a small dab of Loctite on the screw pin, take your new drive shaft, slide the yoke in place over the output shaft, and screw the screw pin in place. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 screws. With our drive shafts in place, now we could reinstall our links and screws. And tighten the screws nice and snug. And there you have it, our steel drive shafts installed, and this truck is ready for some more power. Links to all the products used in today's video will be listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit the subscribe button, and of course we'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.